Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna do unboxing of my mini bag. I was waiting for 6 months, so at last I was so happy. One of these is the bag I'm gonna talk about, and the other one is surprise unboxing. So let me start this one first. Yeah, so this one is, let me open first. Very light, you can see. This is, you can see the print, very unique. Yeah, this is 4B pouch. So this can be inner bag for like other bags like Birkin or Kelly. So I'm gonna try to put this inside Birkin and Kelly, whether it's gonna fit or not, we're gonna check. As I know, there are two kinds and also two sizes. This is size 20, which is smaller size, and there is 25. I'm gonna put here, like usually it comes this kind of material, but I was so happy to get this one because this is so pretty, vibrant color. This one, the name is 4B20 Silky Pouch, and the price is $860. I mentioned in previous video that it's gonna be like hard for this year to get bags because they are not producing in Paris headquarters. That's what I heard from my essay. So they were putting all these 4B instead of bags for display in their boutique. Isn't it funny? There was like belt, pouch, or even shoes in bag section instead of bags. So I was like, what's going on? Where's all the bag? I think probably till the end of this year, it's not gonna be a lot of bag available. So what I got, the bag, will be kind of last one for me this year, I guess. Yeah, like this. You can close. If you want to use in smaller bag, you can make it a little bit this kind of shape so that it fits inside in any small bag. And let me try to put inside. I think it fits perfectly, right? Yeah, I was trying to use for my Birkin. Let me try it quickly in Cali 28, inside like this. Then it's gonna fit very smoothly in any bag. Barenia leather, printed silk. All this hardware is palladium. So let's move on to the bag, and we're gonna talk about Quota bag as well. So this is the bag. I was waiting for 6 months. I thought I cannot get this year, but yeah, fortunately I could get after waiting for 6 months. So yeah, we'll talk about this bag and also Quota bag, whether this is Quota bag or not. Yeah, I'll talk about it. Yeah, so let me open quickly. It was so pretty. I just loved it. You can guess since the size is wallet size. So this is, ta-da! Yes, Kelly to go wallet. One of these. John Imperial color is very similar. Very similar, right? So this is John Ambre, this is John Imperial. John Ambre color is really hit, right? I saw a lot of like Birkin in John Ambre with gold-plated hardware. I wanted gold-plated hardware. It was hard to get, and my essay said if I order with gold-plated hardware, I have to wait more. So I said it's okay, any hardware but John Ambre color. What do you think? The price of this Kelly to go wallet is now $4,175 in USA dollar before tax. Many people ask, Kelly to go wallet, is it Quota bag? Because it's a Kelly. Some people say if you have any Kelly buckle in the bag, it's gonna be pretty much Quota bag. But this is not considered as a bag. This is considered as SLG. Just because it has shoulder strap doesn't mean it's gonna be a Quota bag. Quota bag is like Birkin, Kelly, every 6 months, which is per semester. You can get one Quota bag. I got this Birkin this June before I go to Korea for Korean trip. So it's not been 6 months. So you could guess that I cannot get any Quota bag yet this year. Probably next year, like March. This one is not Quota bag. When I was packing other Quota bag, not just Birkin Kelly, there's a Kelly pochette, mini Kelly, Kelly cut, Kelly dance, Kelly ado. All these are, as I know, Quota bag. It's not SLG, but this one is SLG. Oh my god, I love this. So let me show you inside. There is a 4 card slot inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And in the middle there is zipper. Let me try to open. So as you can see, there is a part you can connect, shoulder strap. So let me try to connect, show you. I was like, oh my god, so pretty. Yeah, And the other side gonna be same, so it's all connected now. So if you wanna use as a wallet without connecting the strap, you can use it as a big wallet. This is perfect for winter season. That's why I chose this color. I was thinking about maybe like dark red color, like loose gasak, something like that. But I realized it's gonna be too much. It's gonna go well with any like winter clothes. So let me show you what fits inside, and then I'm gonna put moshad after that. As I showed you, you can use this as a card slot. So you might not need any card holder, but yeah, let me try to put here. And pretty much any phone will fit here. You can put the phone, but then after that it's gonna be really fat. So I recommend you to use the card slot here. Maybe I can try to put key. So many people saying just key and phone and some card. I was like trying to get another to-go wallet, which is Constance to-go wallet. And Constance to-go wallet is a little bit more expensive. I was like wondering why. It's like same size. Could it be because of that H hardware, more hardware they are using, or I heard it's gonna fit more than Cali to-go wallet. So it's more practical, some people saying. So we'll see when I get that, and maybe I can compare, or yeah. If you have chance to get Cali to-go wallet, what color would you choose? I don't regret about this palladium hardware. It still goes well with this John and Brad color, but I saw the John and Brad color with gold hardware. It's more like luxury look than this one. This is more casual look because of palladium hardware. But I think it's okay. I wear casual style more than, like formal style. And this Cali to-go wallet itself more like casual vibe, I think. So hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.